Hey guys, it's Corey from Corey Survival. Today we're going to be doing an update for the giveaway that I just had, that and a quick channel update, so stick with me. Alrighty guys, so a quick update on the giveaway that I just had. Inspired John wanted to kindly actually pass on his giveaway prize to the next person on the list, which is Buzzard Roost. Buzzard Roost is a really cool guy. I kind of want to give him a little bit of a VR boost, kind of what Kalen Strand did, the 1000 to 1000 VR boost. So I want to boost his channel. He just hit 100 subscribers. I kind of want to give him a little bit more just to get up above 100 to make sure he's set. And he does a lot of prepping, a lot of food storage. His son's in Boy Scouts, so him and his son did a project, and they made this survival staff with like all sorts of cool little tools on it, and inside of it, I honestly, if that was patented, I would buy it. It's super cool. But yeah, he's got a very cool channel. I definitely recommend checking him out. If you guys don't know him or want something new to watch or that sort of thing, just go ahead, yeah, check him out. Tell him I sent you. But yeah, I think that is very, very cool of Inspired John to do, to pass it on to the next winner on the list. So congratulations, Buzzard Roost. You are the next winner, or the new winner of the giveaway I had. So if you want, my email is in my About section. You can go ahead and get a hold of me that way, and just send me an email, and I'll be looking forward to it. So a quick news update with my videos. My mystery tackle box subscription got canceled. They just got done with the ice fishing boxes. They go on from, I believe it's October on to February, which I wish they went on till about April, because there's still ice on the lakes, like a good 2 feet of ice on the lakes. So yeah, that's kind of disappointing, but it's alright. I want your guys' opinion on whether or not you want me to keep going with Mystery Tackle Box and try out a different type of box. I can get their trout box, I can get a bass box, they have a walleye box, they've got a pan fishing box. Yeah, they got all sorts of different boxes. Or would you like me to go back to the SHTF survival boxes, which in those had a bunch of survival gear, prepping gear, survival tips, and that sort of thing. If you guys haven't seen those unboxings, you can go back a few videos, SHTF Mystery Survival Box. So I had fun unboxing that one. So if you want me to go back to that one, let me know on that. Or if you would like me to try just a new subscription box, let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you guys. So that is about it for the news. Other than that, if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button down below. Leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. I do stuff like this once a week, whether it be outdoorsy stuff, unboxings, fishing, hiking, camping, that sort of thing. So if you guys are into that type of thing, hit that subscribe button down below. I'd love to have you guys a part of my community. And as always, keep living, keep fishing, and I will see you guys in my next video.